Hello and welcome to a short video recipe on how to add a cover image to your book on Bookalope. In this video we will show you how to upload your own cover image or how you can generate one using Bookalope. Let's get started. As book designers, we really do judge a book by its cover. Having an appealing book cover image is important, which is why Bookalope takes extra care of this step. You can manage the book cover image of every BookFlow through its metadata page. If you upload your manuscript in a file format which already contains an explicit book cover image, like an ebook, then Bookalope extracts that image and manages it automatically as the book's cover image. If you upload metadata along with your manuscript that contains cover image information, then Bookalope handles that as well. You can also manually upload a cover image as a separate file to your manuscript. Simply click on Browse and search for a local file in your computer to upload as your chosen cover image. Alternatively, if you don't have a cover image ready to use, you can click on the picture icon next to the Browse option to have Bookalope generate a cover image for you. The book covers Bookalope generates are in collaboration with the New York Public Library. If you select this option, the text Generate Cover Image will be displayed on the grey text field. However, if you don't want a book cover image at all for your book, then click the trash can icon. By default, Bookalope takes care of the cover image's alternative text. This is to ensure that your ebook is fully accessible when exported. If you enter text in the alternative text field though, Bookalope will use your text instead. That's it. If you want to access more detailed information on how to use Bookalope to its fullest potential, you can find more short tutorials on how to use our tools on our YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can also find these in our online manual page. You will find all the relevant links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.